Betancourt, and this is my project, CarPick, and this video shows how to install it and get it working. So right now I'm doing this from Python, from PyCharm. So here, get from version control. Then here, we want to copy paste the GitHub and add .get at the end. Let's say test. And then we clone. So this is going to be most of the work, but then to get the AI portion working, we're going to have to do a little bit more. Okay. So here we're going to have the Python code and the HTML code. So next we're going to have to go to settings, then to project, then interpreter. Then we're going to have to add OpenAI, and for compatibility reasons we're going to have to go to 0.28, install that, and then we're going to have to copy paste this key because GitHub doesn't let you upload that key. So at the end of the Python code, here, API key, just paste it there. And that should be all to get it running. So let's run it. Here we can click on the link and it's gonna take us to the browser and it should be working. So you can select the questions, there's the slide, you can change the number of questions, you can do the answers, and then get the recommendation. It's gonna show you and take the quiz again, and then this should be working. So let's ask, what's the most reliable? Sedan. So you can ask it wherever. And so for the future, so we can just make the updates as we wish to the Python code and the HTML code. So more precise questions, and maybe update the point system or change the UI. We can just do it through here.